Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Duke Energy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Duke Energy, start by researching the company. Visit their official website to gather relevant information about their operations and performance. Look for current news articles and press releases to understand their recent developments. Next, check their stock performance using financial news platforms. Take note of Duke Energy's stock ticker symbol, which is DUK. Create an account on a brokerage platform if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that fits your investment style, whether it's full service or discount. Complete the registration process by providing the required personal information. Once your account is set up, deposit funds according to your investment plan. Search for DUK in your brokerage's trading platform. Review the stock information, including its current price and historical performance. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase. Place a market order if you want to buy the shares at the current price. Alternatively, consider a limit order if you want to specify a price. Review your order details before confirming the purchase. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance and company news. Consider setting up alerts for significant price movements or news updates. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.